Camping has always been about escaping the noise of everyday life, but that doesn't mean you have to leave comfort behind. Every year, outdoor gear gets smarter, lighter, and more innovative, making it easier than ever to enjoy nature without the usual hassle. From inflatable shelters and solar-powered essentials, to clever camping tools that save time and space, today's gadgets are transforming the way we camp. Industry experts have also highlighted a growing trend toward lightweight, multi-purpose, and tech-driven camping gear that makes every adventure more enjoyable. So, if you're planning your next outdoor adventure, stay with us as we reveal 15 camping gadgets that make outdoor life easy. You might just discover your next must-have piece of camping gear. TRIAIR. The TRIAIR is a clever camping accessory that solves a problem every outdoor traveler faces: where to dry wet clothes and gear. This lightweight, foldable drying rack packs down small enough to fit in a backpack and sets up in seconds. It features a freestanding design with built-in clips, making it ideal for towels, socks, swimwear, and other camping essentials at campsites, RV parks, beaches, or hotels. On Kickstarter, early bird pledges started at around $60 to $80, depending on the reward tier. If you camp often, TRIAIR is a simple yet practical gadget that keeps your gear dry and organized wherever your adventure takes you. FlameCube. The FlameCube is a compact camping stove that does much more than cook your meals. Using a built-in thermoelectric generator, it converts heat from burning wood into electricity, allowing you to charge phones and other USB devices while preparing food. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a foldable design, a high-efficiency combustion system, and can boil 1 liter of water in about 4 minutes, making it ideal for backpacking and emergency use. During its crowdfunding campaign, early bird pricing started at around $99 with expected retail pricing closer to $149. It's an innovative all-in-one tool for campers who value both convenience and self-sufficiency. Air Cruiser. The Air Cruiser is a game-changing rooftop tent designed for campers who want maximum comfort with minimal setup. Its automatic airframe system inflates in just minutes, creating a spacious cabin with 360-degree panoramic windows, dual skylights, integrated LED lighting, and a comfortable 2-inch high-density foam mattress for up to 2 to 3 people. Weighing only 99 pounds, it's one of the lightest rooftop tents in its class, while remaining tough enough for harsh weather conditions. The Indiegogo campaign launched with an early bird price of $2,999. Regular price $3,999, making it a premium but innovative choice for serious outdoor adventurers. Crua Modus. The Crua Modus is an innovative 6-in-1 camping system that combines a tent, hammock, self-inflating mattress, sleeping quilt, bug net, and picnic blanket into one compact package. Designed for solo campers, it weighs around 4.3 kilograms, 9.5 pounds, and uses inflatable air poles for quick setup, while the waterproof flysheet offers 6,000 millimeters weather protection. Its modular design makes it easy to adapt to different camping styles without carrying extra gear. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird pricing started at $199, while the expected retail price was around $399, making it a smart, all-in-one solution for outdoor adventures. The Bugbeater 2.0. The Bugbeater 2.0 is a camping chair designed for anyone who loves the outdoors but hates mosquitoes. It combines a sturdy folding chair with a full bug-proof mesh enclosure, an adjustable UV blocking canopy, a built-in cooler that holds up to 5 cans, storage pockets, and a cup holder, all in one portable design. Supporting up to 350 pounds, it folds into its own carry case with a backpack strap for easy transport. During its crowdfunding campaign, early bird pricing started at around $120, while the regular retail price is about $130. It's a smart upgrade for camping, fishing, beaches, and backyard relaxation. Dragon V1 Solar Tent. The Dragon V1 Solar Tent brings modern technology to traditional camping by combining a spacious inflatable shelter with built-in solar power. Designed for quick setup, it features durable waterproof materials, integrated solar panels, an onboard power station, LED lighting, multiple ventilation windows, and USB charging ports to keep your devices powered off the grid. The inflatable frame eliminates complicated poles, making setup fast and hassle-free. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird backers could reserve one for around $1,999 with an expected retail price of approximately $2,999. It's an impressive choice for campers who want comfort, convenience, and sustainable power in one package. ETROL 3-in-1 Pelican. The ETROL 3-in-1 Pelican is a versatile camping hammock built for travelers who want multiple functions without extra gear. It easily transforms between a traditional hammock, a bug-protected shelter, and an emergency ground tent, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking. Made from durable 30D nylon and B3 mesh, it measures 290 by 140 centimeters, weighs only 1.2 kilograms, 2.6 pounds, and includes aluminum support poles, tree straps, carabiners, and a carry bag for quick setup. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird pricing started at around $69, offering excellent value for such a lightweight, all-in-one camping solution. ENKEEO Lite. The ENKEEO Lite is a clever 4-in-1 camping fan that combines a cooling fan, LED lantern, power bank, and emergency light into one compact device. Built for campers and overlanders, it features multiple fan speeds, adjustable LED brightness, a rechargeable high-capacity battery, and a hanging hook for easy use inside a tent. Its lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for hot summer nights or off-grid adventures. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird backers could grab one for around $60, with an expected retail price of about $90. It's a practical gadget that keeps you cool, illuminated, and powered wherever you camp. Moonbase. Moonbase is a unique camping experience designed for people who want to reconnect with nature without giving up comfort. Set beneath wide open skies, it offers futuristic dome-style accommodations with cozy sleeping spaces, panoramic views, and eco-friendly amenities that make stargazing unforgettable. The site is powered with sustainable features and provides a peaceful escape just a short drive from Washington, D.C., making it perfect for weekend adventurers. During its Indiegogo campaign, early supporter packages started at around $200 for an overnight stay, with larger accommodation options priced higher. It's a refreshing blend of glamping, comfort, and outdoor adventure. Cam.G Plus. The Cam.G Plus is a compact camping safety gadget designed to give you extra peace of mind when you're off the grid. Weighing just 220 grams, it combines intrusion detection, a carbon monoxide alarm, mosquito repellent, a 95 decibel emergency siren, a 250 lumen LED light, temperature and humidity monitoring, and a 3,500 mAh rechargeable battery in one portable device. It even connects via Bluetooth 4.0 for added convenience. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird pricing started at around $69, with a retail price of approximately $99. It's a smart companion that helps make every camping trip safer and more comfortable. Gentletent. The Gentletent is an inflatable camping tent designed to make outdoor adventures quicker and more comfortable. Instead of traditional poles, it uses durable air beams that inflate within minutes, giving you a spacious and stable shelter with minimal effort. Built from waterproof, weather-resistant materials, it offers generous headroom, large ventilation windows, and enough space for families or small groups. The compact packed size also makes transportation easier than many conventional tents. During its Indiegogo campaign, early bird pricing started at around $699, with an expected retail price of approximately $999. It's an excellent option for campers who value convenience and comfort. Space Acacia. The Space Acacia is a premium 3-in-1 camping system that combines a spacious instant tent, a patented 6-inch inflatable air floor, and a temperature-adjusting canopy into one all-weather setup. Built with rugged 300D waterproof Oxford fabric, it comfortably sleeps 2 to 3 people and features 8 side windows, overhead mesh panels for stargazing, and SPF 50+ sun protection. The inflatable floor supports over 4,000 pounds, adding impressive comfort on rough terrain. During its Indiegogo campaign, the complete 2 to 3 person system started at $1,050, while the tent-only option began at $399. It's a luxurious camping solution for serious outdoor enthusiasts. YUEDAO RoboLite. The YUEDAO RoboLite is a versatile 5-in-1 camping companion that combines a powerful LED lantern, portable power station, emergency flashlight, work light, and USB charging hub into one compact device. It features a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, multiple brightness modes, magnetic mounting, and a rugged, weather-resistant design built for outdoor adventures. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a power outage, RoboLite keeps your campsite illuminated and your essential devices charged. During its Kickstarter campaign, early bird pricing started at around $80, with an expected retail price of approximately $130. It's a practical all-in-one gadget that earns a spot in any camper's gear collection. FuturaHeat-Boots. The FuturaHeat-Boots are built for campers and outdoor adventurers who refuse to let freezing temperatures cut a trip short. Using advanced semiconductor heating technology, these rechargeable boots keep your feet warm in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature app-controlled heat settings, a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery that provides up to 14 hours of warmth, a waterproof cowhide leather upper, plush insulation, and an anti-slip rubber outsole for secure footing on snow and ice. During the Kickstarter campaign, early bird backers could reserve a pair for around $100, making them a smart investment for cold weather camping. Camping water container 2-gallon. A reliable water supply is one of the most important parts of any camping trip, and this 2-gallon camping water container makes carrying it surprisingly easy. Priced at just $6, this lightweight foldable jug holds 2.1 gallons, 8 liters of water, while collapsing flat to save valuable backpack or RV space. It features separate filling and pouring openings, a leak-proof spout, reinforced seams, and durable odor-resistant material that helps keep water fresh. Whether you're camping, hiking, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, it's a simple, practical gadget that delivers excellent value without adding unnecessary bulk to your gear. FLEXTAILGEAR Zero Pump 2. The FLEXTAILGEAR Zero Pump 2 proves that great camping gear doesn't have to take up valuable pack space. Priced at around $60, this ultralight mini air pump weighs just 1 ounce, 29 grams, without the battery, and easily fits in your pocket. Despite its tiny size, it delivers 200 liters per minute airflow with 3.5 kilopascals of pressure, inflating sleeping pads in seconds. A detachable 900 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery, 6 interchangeable nozzles, and inflate/deflate functionality make it incredibly versatile. Whether you're backpacking or car camping, it's one of those small gadgets that quickly becomes an essential part of your outdoor kit. Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 Outdoor Camp Stove. The Coleman Cascade 3-in-1 Outdoor Camp Stove is built for campers who enjoy cooking real meals instead of settling for instant food. Priced at around $275, it features 24,000 BTUs of cooking power, 2 independently adjustable burners, removable cast iron grill and griddle plates, and wind guards for reliable performance in breezy conditions. Matchless rotary ignition gets you cooking quickly, while the removable cooktop makes cleanup surprisingly easy. It fits 10-inch and 12-inch cookware and packs securely with a built-in carry handle. Whether you're making breakfast or grilling dinner, This versatile stove brings a true outdoor kitchen experience to the campsite.